Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the merge into statement. I will be telling you what is the statement, its syntax, and also I will be writing an example and clear example in the system so that you can easily understand how to use this statement. So let me tell you the definition. It's a merge into statement. We use this statement in order to update or insert or delete record in an existing table. So like the operator called upsert, we can use the insert and update simultaneously. Similar to that, merge into is used for in order to update or delete or insert into a same table, into a single table. So let me give you the basic syntax how we write this merge into. We write like merge, then into, then we will write the table, the target table name, where you want to merge, and then you have to write using, then you have to write the source table, I mean the reference table. You can call as reference table or source table. And then like in the join, you have to give on, then you have to give some condition, the searching condition. So here would be condition. I will be giving you the example so that just wait for the example so that you can understand. Now you have to give some kind of clause like uh, when matched, and then some statement like insert or update kind of, and then also you can write like when not matched. So you can write like when matched and some kind of update, and when not matched you can delete, or you can do some kind of insertion. So let me give you an example so that it will be much better to understand. I'll be creating two table, T1 and T2, and in that I will be using this function. Okay, so let me create the table first. Suppose I'm creating table T1, and here I'm having value A and B, and both are integer type. So let me execute this one. It is created. And let me another table. This is my target table, and I will be creating another table T2, and it will be my source table or reference table. And here also I will be taking two variable A and B, both are integer type. So let me execute this one. Yes, the table has been created, T1 and T2, and at this point of time we have not inserted any records in these both the tables. So let me insert some few records in it so that it will be easier to operate on the data. So let me insert first into the T1 table. So suppose I am inserting like two values 1 and 1. So let me execute this. So data has been inserted. I will now execute two records in T2. So let me write that. So in T2, suppose I have 1 and suppose 2, and it is executed, and I will insert one more row in the reference table, so that is 2 and 3. So now my table and the data has created. So let me just quickly see the data before going into the merge statement. This is T1, So this is my source table where we are going to change the data in it. So currently we can see that, so the value is 1 and 1. Now we are going to use the merge statement, so in order to change the data in T1. So let me write that statement. So you are going to write like merge into T1. As I told, my T1 is a target table, and using T2. T2 is my reference table or source table. Then you have to give the join condition on. So T1 dot A equal to T2 dot A. So what I'm going to do that, merge into T1 using T2. When this condition is true, T1 dot A and T2 dot A is equal, then first write when matched. If it is matched, then update T1. Suppose you are going to update another column in T1 table, so T2 dot B. Okay, and you can also write one more when condition. You may write one when condition, or you can write multiple, like update. Like here in this example I'm going to show you update and insert. You can also include about another when, and you can add delete condition. So when not matched, then insert values, suppose T2 dot A and T2 dot B. So let me execute this statement, and I will explain you then. Let me just quickly execute this statement. Okay, there is an error. Just let me quickly check it. What we have written, merge into when matched, then update. Okay, we have to write set statement. Okay, we're going to update set, then this one. So now let me execute this statement. I hope it will be successful. Yes, you can see rows affected too. It means one row has been updated for update statement and the other one for the insert statement. And what has occurred by this statement, that when T1 and T2, look, let me show you the data again from this two table. Select star from T2. So now the data has been inserted, but earlier, just let me show you. Yes, so this is the T1 table. You can see T1. Earlier the data was 1 and 1 in T1 table, and in T2 table this is the data 1, 2 and 2, 3. Now what we have done, when the data for T1, T1A and T2A is equal, because if we see the data for T2 only, this is the T2 data, 1 and 1, so it means it matched. If it is matched, earlier we had 1 and 1 in T1, and now when it is matched with T1, then it is going to update the T2B value into T1V. So the value was in T2 table is 2. So that's why the value of this column, where it was 1 and 1, it has changed to 2. Now the other statement, look, when not matched, suppose there was only single record in T1, that is 1 and 1 earlier, and uh, when it will not match, like in the next statement, where this value, like this second row in a T2 table, here the data is 2 and 3, and we are doing the condition on A. Like in this one table, T1 table, earlier we did not have the second row with the value 2, Now when that is not matched, so it is going to insert a new row into the T1 table using this value, that is T2A and T2B. So T2A and T2B, the value was this 2 3, so that's why 2 3 has been inserted into this T1 table. I hope you have not misunderstood. It is very clear, and I hope you have understood very well. So thank you for watching, and please look into my other tutorial. I have given the links in the below description, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.